Dad, I know you can't do these numbers with your hand.
Easy. Club Godzilla, I ain't tricking, I'm just dicking bitches down, head down, pop that pussy to the ground.
Hey, Dad.
I just got off the phone from your teacher.
You did?
Yeah. You got suspended. Are you gonna explain?
Well, Miss Johnson asked if I had my homework, and I said, hey, it's a Monday. I just wanna be in bed, just wanna sleep instead. Hey, it's a Monday. I just wanna get some head from my teacher, oh yeah.
You said what now?
I was just joking though.
You gonna be joking with this bell?
Yo, Dad!
What do you want now?
I think I came up with a good idea to make Addison my stepmom.
You still going on about this?
Well, yeah, you need help.
Shut your mouth. So what is it?
So you walk up to her and you say, need a freak, mouth wide. Need a freak, mouth wide.
Do you even know what you just said?
No, not really, but I heard it on TikTok.
Boy, she will slap me like I'm about to do to you. Yo, son, I got a call from your teacher. You got in trouble.
I saw that she was having a bad day, so I can help her.
Oh, for real? Like, what'd you do wrong?
I gave her some advice and then she got really offended.
What'd you end up telling her?
All I did was tell her, get some D, 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 get some D. If you get some D, you'll be happy. A matter of fact, want my pee-pee.
Get this hand, get this hand, get this hand!
Dad, I got something serious to tell you.
What's up?
I know it might not seem like I love you at times.
But...
快手，拥抱每一种生活。
Yeah.
I'm in love with not you, cause you always giving me the hand.
Well, maybe if you weren't being a troublemaker.
Well, I can't help it. I get it from you.
No, you don't. What is that?
You mean this?
Yes.
Your Miss Lotion, of course, I've been using all day.
You better use his hand.
What happened?
Nothing. I don't want to talk about it.
Did your friend leave you again cause you got a baby shrimp?
No, stop saying that. It's not true.
That's cat.
Huh?
Dad, let me help cheer you up.
How?
Follow my lead. Snap your fingers. Do your stance.
Okay.
You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it.
Hey.
You have a baby shrimp.
Hey, hold up. That's not funny.
If it's not true, you don't have to snap on me.
Snap to this hand.
Yo, Dad, look at this cool anime video.
Oh, let me see. Who the fuck is Joshy Foo?
Who?
Joshy, he just asked when I was leaving so he could come over.
Oh, Josh, yeah, he's gonna come over so he can play with me on Fortnite.
He's gonna play with his hand.
Dad, guess what?
What?
I got an A in math.
No, you freaking did it.
I mean...
You mean what?
Yes, I freaking did.
I can't believe it.
You're so what?
So proud of you.
Wanna make you happy?
I am really happy.
Do you wanna dance?
Hell yeah, let's dance.
Let's celebrate in 3,
2,
1, let's go, Dad.
That's my boy. That's my boy.
I was just kidding. I got a F.
He got a F. You got a what?
Yeah, I was just playing. I actually failed in math.
You better fail to this hand.
Dad, if you do the body dance right now, I'll be good in school for the rest of the year.
You promise?
Yeah.
Alright, put it on.
Okay. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body yada 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 yada.
Ooh, remember what you promised now.
I cross my fingers, jokes on you.
You gonna cross his hand?
I hope Dad doesn't find out I have Miss Lotion, cause we about to get freaky. Oh yeah. Oh, life is good. You know what I mean?
100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger.
Son, have you seen Miss Lotion? What the?
It's not what it looks like, I swear.
So what were you just doing with Miss Lotion?
Nothing, I was just ashy.
Ashy this hand.
Hey, babe. Hey, where you at? I'm in the car. Is your dad there? No, he forgot his wallet, so he'll be back soon. Oh, okay. So we have a couple minutes to ourselves, and I just want to tell you, I'm not feeling myself today. Oh, what's wrong? Can I feel you instead? Oh my gosh, you're so freaky. You know me. Yeah. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on.
快手，
What the hell's going on in
每一种
here?
生
I
活
was getting my freak on.
You better get your freak on with this hand.
Hey, Michaela, I heard you were having a bad day, so I made a song for you. You did? Yeah, just listen. You're my Taco Bell to my diarrhea. Diarrhea. Are you a green bottle? Cause I want a Mountain Dew. falling for you. I would ask you to the movies, but they don't allow snacks. On a scale from 1 to 10, you're a 9. I'm the one you need. Are you my dad's belle? Cause you hit differently. Are you my dad's belle? Cause you hit differently.
Hey, let's clean up. Your mom's almost home.
It's fine. Mom doesn't care how things look.
Why would you say that?
Because she married you.
Oh shit.
Hi, excuse me? Yeah, what's up? Oh my gosh, my crush is talking to me. She's the most popular girl in school. Can I tell you something? Yeah, of course. I really, really like you.
I'm about to end this boy's whole career.
Taking my pants and I got a few bags up under my belt. Ooh, bitch, I'm a big gangster. Turn around with this foreign love. Cocaine, a slang. 100 of them, just order up.
好像你的双眼，我爱你，快回到我身边。曾经在我眼前，却又消失不见。这世界有无边。
Oh god damn, she bad. What the hell are you watching? Son was just showing me a TikTok. Oh really? Who's bad, huh? No. Son was just asking if she was bad for him.
No, I didn't. I said, look, my teacher, Miss Dora, has a TikTok. She's really pretty, Mom.
Oh, she is? Nah.
Dad, you just said she's a 10 out of 10.
Let me see that damn phone.
还是那么的好玩。
Dad, can I play games on your phone?
Sure, but don't be watching those videos and you know what I'm talking about.
We ran out of lotion, so I won't.
Huh?
Dad, Sneaky Link just texted you.
Who the hell Sneaky Link? That's my cousin.
Dad, are you gonna be a horse for Halloween? Cause Sneaky Link just said, can't wait to ride you.
Your dad. What the heck is all that noise? Why'd you close your laptop, huh?
For no reason.
So what was the noise?
I was playing patty cake.
With who? Boy, open that laptop and press that space bar, or you gonna get this whooping.
Oh
my god!
既然这么多，手机壳大户实锤了，让我
Send me
一
the
个
link.
个
I
白
need
给
some
你
more
们看看，
categories.
我
Alright.
太开心啦！终于不用拿着我的大刀到处乱逛了，哈哈哈！美瞳的手机壳都超
Mom,
可
guess
爱。
what?
What, sweetie?
I saw Dad put his wedding ring back on when he got home.
Oh, really? Tell me this again during dinner time.
Okay.
Later that night. Sweetie, what were you telling me earlier?
I saw Dad put his wedding ring on when he got home. Just like Mom does when she goes to Uncle Fred's house.
Emotional damage. I have a feeling you were cheating on the test.
What? Nah, prove it.
One question was, who was the first president? The girl next to you put George Washington, and so did you.
So, everyone knows who was the first president.
Wait a minute. The next question was, when did the World War I start? The girl next to you said 1914, and so did you.
Yeah, I read the history textbook last night, and I remember that.
Well, the next question was, who was the president during the Louisiana Purchase? She put, I don't know, and you put me either.
Got a blast.
Yo, what's going on? You gonna tell him? Well, your son tried to fight the mailman. What? Yeah, and he's lying and won't tell me why. I have an idea. Every time he lies, this makes a bird sound. Son, so why did you fight the mailman?
I didn't. Okay, because he looked up and down on Mom and I didn't like it.
Well, there you go.
And then he told me if I was his son, he would put me in military school.
Well, good thing he's not your father.
Hey, Michaela.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ow, ow.
Hey, what y'all doing?
3 plus 3 is 6, right? No. Oh, we're just doing homework.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Boom, boom, ba, 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 ba.
Homework my ass. You finna boom boom this hand.
Wait, stop the motherfucking music. You, are you dumb?
Hey, Dad, do you have a leak in your room?
You be asking some weird questions, but know why?
I overheard you and your friend last night.
What'd I say?
It's so wet, like the ocean. I touched it. It was splashing. I put it in. I'm finished. Your friend said,
快手
aren't you
拥
finished?
抱每
You were
一
like,
种
yeah.
生活。
I couldn't help it. She was like, bye. I'm leaving.
Why are you making fun of me? Well, would you look at the time? You should be in my arms o'clock.
Hey, bro, check out this baddie I've been talking to. Tell me you wouldn't hit those.
Yeah, she's pretty, bro, but I'd have to know her personality. It's not just about looks nowadays, you know? It's about what's inside.
I mean, she better than your ex. Shit, everybody is. You don't have to put other people down to make yourself feel better. That negative energy doesn't do anything for you. Shut your simp ass up. See, that's why she cheated on your crybaby ass. That had nothing to do with it. She cheated because she lacked the loyalty and ability to commit to one person. Hell nah, she cheated on you because you broke, always wearing them busted ass shell toes. How you boring, broke, and you ugly, bro? You gotta pick one struggle at a time. My younger brother gets more poon than you, bro, and he a virgin. Like, come on. Damn, you hella boring, bro. It's okay, because I'm a better, more mature man now. Not everything is a reaction. Tell your mama she ugly too. I don't
快手
care. At least mama
看
knows
见
crack
每
daddy.
一种生
Go
活。
pray to your dead daddy about it. Ain't your sister paralyzed from the waist down? Damn, bro.
Hey, sweetie, come here.
Mom?
Come over here.
Mom, are you back from work already?
You know you want to come.
Hello?
Hi, son. I'll be home late today, okay?
Choose your weapon. Hand, spoon, broom, chancla, coat hanger,
看见
belt.
Ding, 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 ding.
Finish her.
Don't ever talk to me like that again.
Flawless victory.
Whose water is this? Not mine. Not mine either.
I didn't even drink water today.
Since nobody claims that you're drinking it, I promise it's not mine. You're the oldest brother. Just take responsibility. Fine, I'll drink it. Thank you.
Mom!
What is it?
He threw away his water.
I did not.
Yes, he did. Check the trash can.
That must be his. I already drank the one you gave me.
Nope, he's lying. Trust me.
Is that true? Why don't you ask the other brother? He saw me drink it.
No, don't.
The little one is lying.
Where is your proof?
This is my bottle. Every time you lie, this lie detector is gonna make a beep sound. So did you sneak out the house last night?
No, I was asleep. Beep. I meant to say I went to the park with my friends. Beep. Alright. I really went to Michaela's house to Netflix and chill.
Come on, son. When I was your age, I was a good kid. I would never do any of that. Beep. He really is your son, huh?
快手看见每一种生活。
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, this is the last time I'm asking you. Clean your room or I'm taking that game away.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me put my headphones on.
And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Michael Mary. Billie Jean. Dior. I'm in all the stores. When it rains and pours, you let the wind in. Oh, great heavens!
Hey, hi Mrs. Always Wet. My daughter went to work. Let's have some fun. Absolutely not. I never cheat on my girlfriend. Wow, she's crazy. Hi. Oh, hey babe. I thought you were at work. That was a loyalty test and I knew you would fail, you piece of No, that's not true. I was loyal to you then. Liar. You were in there for 12 seconds and we both know what that means.
Oh, great heavens!
Look at Mr. Garcia. I bet he gets no girls. He's coming. Pretend like you're working.
Why were you guys laughing?
Oh, Mark told me a funny joke.
Oh yeah? What was the joke?
What always begins with a W and ends with a T?
看
What?
见每一种
Hey! That was a good one. I'll let you guys continue what y'all were doing.
That was a close one. How'd you come up with that joke?
My dad.
Are we gonna talk about what happened at school?
No.
What did you tell your teacher that got you in trouble?
I told her the truth.
Like what?
She wanted me to get in front of the class and solve a problem.
Okay, and?
I told her I can't. She said, why? I stood up and said, because I have
A what?
It rhymes with loner.
Loner? Oh.
And then she got really mad when I said, Miss Davis, since it's your fault, can you help me bring it down?
No, you didn't.
Yeah, because Mom always helps you bring yours down.
Oh, great heavens!
快手，拥抱每一
Dad, I
种
gave
生
it some
活。
time, and I think this time it's gonna work.
Son, what are you talking about?
Make it Addison Rae my stepmom.
I'm done with these. They're not gonna work.
Just listen.
Yeah, whatever.
So this is what you're gonna tell her.
Okay.
Okay, what's up, babe? I'm gonna make you my wifey. I got a cute son that will make you go crazy. So pretty, please, can you be his stepmommy? You'll make you forget that you had an ugly husband.
Hold on. Pause. Ugly husband?
Yeah, you.
Boy!
快手，拥抱每一种生活。
see a menu, sir. The man says, I'm blind. Just bring me one of your dirty forks. I'll smell it and I'll order. The waiter was confused, but he went to the kitchen, grabbed the fork, and returned to the blind man. The blind man smells the fork and says, yes, I'll have the lamb with the seasoned potatoes and the spring vegetables. The waiter thought this was amazing and brings the man his food. The blind man ate and left. 2 weeks later, the blind man returns to the restaurant. The waiter, wanting to know how good his smell is, quickly went to the kitchen where his wife Brenda was cooking. He said, do me a favor, take this fork and rub it all over your private part. Which she did. The waiter went to the blind man and gave him the fork. The blind man smells the fork and says, oh, interesting. I never knew Brenda worked here.
Hey, Jesus. You know I had to choose the best option.
Hello, my son. What is it that you need?
Can you give me some advice?
Yes. Next time, take the $100 million.
Oh, great heavens!
Brother, I need help.
What's up?
Can you help me write a song for my talent show tomorrow?
Yeah, I got you.
Cool, because my crush will be watching.
Even better.
The next day.
I live with roaches, about 10 of them. We now close friends, couldn't get rid of them. Let me see your feet, I'ma tickle them. I'm eating red meat, sprinkled with cinnamon. I don't wear Timberlands, got the new rubber duckies, I be killing them. She gave me her hand, I licked on her palm right, I'm a gentleman.
Oh, great heavens!
Just like that, you try.
Oh, I can't do it.
Where are you going?
I quit. I practice and practice, and I still can't get it. It'll never happen.
One day you'll get it, I promise.
Yeah, whatever.
10 years later. One day you'll get it, I promise. I told you.
Brother, can I play, please?
You know what? Yeah, the other controller's in the other room.
Okay, I'll go get it.
Sight!
Brother, the door is locked.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, great heavens!
蓝色混一个这种红色，能变成紫色吧？
Whoa, what was that?
My brown sponge?
Oh, okay. Oh no, Mom, can I use your brown sponge to clean this?
Sorry, honey, I lost it.
Oh, okay.
Later that night.
Mom, I found your brown sponge.
Wait, what?
Our neighbor, Miss Rodriguez. Dad was using it to wash his face.
2003. They're so nice, that boys. Young Nindu shouting. Emotional boys 2001. Emotional shouting in this bitch. Machiavelli. Bitches come and go, bruh. But you know I stay. Bitches come and go, bruh. But you know I stay. Get my balls licked by a Zoe Deschanel. Looking like a cocaine addict. Razor blade to your head. Conflict. I'm a
Yo, son, they canceled school tomorrow.
Why? What happened?
I think your teacher died or something.
Wow, they found the body already?
Oh, great heavens!
And in my 20 years of teaching, I've never seen this many students fail.
Dang, I got a 42. My dad's gonna beat me.
42? Well, I got a 29.
Damn, what's wrong with her?
She probably failed like the rest of us.
No way. Hey, yo, what grade did you get? A 90? Bruh.
And in my 20 years of teaching, I've never seen this many students fail.
Dang, I got a 42. My dad's gonna beat me.
42? Well, I got a 29.
Damn, what's wrong with her?
She probably failed like the rest of us.
No way. Hey, yo, what grade did you get? A 90? Bruh.
What's up, mama's boy?
What's up, daddy boy?
Joke's on you. I don't know my dad.
I'm about to end this bully's whole career. Yeah, you do. You're looking at him.
Hey, loser, let me ask you a question. Why are you so ugly?
I'm about to ruin this bully's whole career. Let me ask you a question.
What?
What's the difference between a fridge and your sister?
Huh? I don't know.
One only moans when I put my meat in.
Hey, nerd. Did your mom drop you on your head when you were little?
I'm about to ruin this bully's whole career. No, were you born on the highway?
What are you talking about?
I mean, that's where most accidents happen.
Yo, kid, do you know who Joe is?
No.
Joe Mama.
I'm about to end this bully's whole career. Do you know Yura?
No.
You're my next target.
Look at this ugly kid. He probably never gets girls.
I was with one last night.
Huh? That's cat.
Ask your sister.
This is how you know you're capping, because I don't have one.
I'm about to ruin this bully's whole career. You will in 9 months.
Look at that nerd. Your mom is so fat.
I'm about to ruin this bully's whole career. Your mom is so fat, she starts the alphabet with the letter O. O, B, C, D.
Look at this nerd. Your mom is probably ugly just like you.
I'm about to end this bully's whole career. Is that your dad over there?
There's no one there.
Exactly. Where's your dad?
Hey, you dumb loser nerd. Why are you looking at me like that? Are you gay?
I'm about to destroy this bully's whole career. Why? Are you looking for a boyfriend?
Hey, yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm tired of you thinking you can walk around doing whatever you want at my school. I run this school. Today's the day I finish you, and you want to know how? Because I brought my older brothers with me this time. You're scared now, huh?
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, why are you on your phone?
Because this lesson is so boring.
Okay, while you're on there, tell your mom I'll pick her up at 5 tonight.
I'm about to ruin my teacher's whole career. Damn, Teach. I guess we both picking up our girls at 5 tonight.
Who's your girl?
Your daughter.
Hey, son!
Yeah? Yeah? Hello? Get him, he's north. He's one shot.
Hey, sweetie, pause the game. It's time for dinner.
Okay, in a little bit. I'm playing online.
Can you not just pause it?
I'm feeling kind of nice today. I'm gonna go wash the dishes.
Son, go wash the dishes.
I don't want to even do it anymore. Dad, can I show you a new challenge I just learned?
Why do you have toilet paper?
It's part of the challenge.
Oh, okay, let's see it.
Okay, here it goes.
Oh my freaking gosh, no.
What'd you think?
Don't ever do that again. Kids don't do that.
You're just mad because I'm a savage.
Savage?
And you're just a ratchet.
I'll show you ratchet.
Hey, beautiful. Hey. I heard you like JB. I do. Well, I could be your JB. Just listen. Okay. Do you need somebody to love? I think I know who. Like somebody that's me, somebody that's me. You don't need no one else. I promise, girl, I swear. Tonight, let's get crazy and make love.
You gonna make love with his hand?
if you close your eyes.
Yo, Dad, can I tell you a riddle?
I'm busy.
Please.
Okay, fine.
What has 4 letters, but sometimes has 9?
What? I don't even think that's possible.
It is possible. What has 4 letters and sometimes has 9?
Son, that's impossible.
Dad, listen again. What has 4 letters and sometimes has 9?
I don't know. I give up.
Mom was right. You're not smart.
Oh, great heavens!
I'd like to buy some perfume for my wife for Christmas. Oh, okay. Well, this one is our best seller. How much is it? $50. That's a lot. Do you have anything cheaper? How about this one for $30? That's still too much. This one's $15. What I really mean is, can you show me something that's really cheap? Well then, here.
Oh, great heavens!
Yo, son.
What's up?
Guess what I got?
Round table pizza?
Yeah, but not just any type of pizza. Street taco pizza. Here, you can start eating. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Wait. Where's the pizza?
My bad, it was so good.
So good this hell.
Hey, Dad.
What's up?
You know what your friend told me before she left last night unsatisfied?
Unsatisfied and what?
That you have a little disease.
A little what?
SHORTPPITIS. Do you know what that means?
Know what?
SHORTPPITIS. Do you know what that means?
No.
Short PPITIS. Yeah, short PPITIS.
You about to get a disease called handitis.
Hey, Dad.
Are you ready to talk?
Talk about what?
Your teacher told me you said something dirty and got detention today.
Oh.
So let me hear your story.
Okay, so it started with me asking, can I use the bathroom? Then my teacher said,
Said what?
I don't know, can you? So you know what I did?
What'd you do?
I went, and then I got in trouble.
Boy, you finna get this hurt.
Hey, Dad.
Are you ready to talk?
Talk about what?
Your teacher told me you said something dirty and got detention today.
Oh.
So let me hear your story.
Okay, so it started with me asking, can I use the bathroom? Then my teacher said,
Said what?
I don't know, can you? So you know what I did?
What'd you do?
I went, and then I got in trouble.
Boy, you finna get this hurt.
Dad.
What's up?
Watch this video.
What is it?
This guy throws a rock in the water and you won't believe what happens.
Let me see.
Got him.
Boy, you finna get this hang.